Let's talk about how what you say impacts kids and what you can do about it. Kids are listening to everything we say. So that's why I'm really careful that I don't talk about kids in front of kids, even if I'm outside the door talking to a colleague, like just get away from them. That's never okay. But the words we say to them can really, really stick for years and years and years. So think about when you were a kid and maybe someone might have said to you, I don't think you're going to be successful at that. You're going to remember that for the rest of your life and you just can't shake it. Memory is very highly connected to emotion. It's the reason why we remember dates that are sad or tragic because they're emotional. So when you say something to a child that in the heat of the moment might trigger an emotion in them, even if you don't see it immediately, they're going to remember it. Sometimes I have to really think before I say something to ask myself, is that going to trigger a really heavy emotion? So let's just really be careful because what we say impacts kids for years to come. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.